Hi there, and welcome to the Public Relations Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to develop a comprehensive public relations strategy and plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Also included is a maturity model that helps you understand where your organization sits in the spectrum of public relations maturity. Our playbooks are filled with links to practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1, establishing PR objectives. And here, your one and only step is to set your PR objectives, which will ultimately find their way into the Public Relations Strategy Scorecard template. In stage number 2, we move into internal self-assessment. And here, the first step is to audit your state of PR readiness. Then you move into prioritizing areas for improvement and then allocating resources with PR expertise. In stage 3, we understand your audience. And here, the first step is to define your target audience profiles. And then step 2, to listen to target audience conversations. You're going to create a database of media contacts and then identify editorial calendar opportunities. In stage 4, you're going to craft your key messages. And here, defining your positioning statement, drafting and prioritizing key messages, scheduling and preparing communications, and standardizing press release formatting are your steps. In stage 5, you're going to be inventorying your PR assets. First, by developing or updating your press kit, creating a directory of experts, and ultimately completing media coaching. In stage number 6, we're going to finish with budget and measurement. And here, the first step is to develop your public relations budget, build your PR program's dashboard, track ad value equivalency, measure and track cost per impression, and ultimately do some reporting. Remember that you can access all these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Public Relations Plan framework. Succeed with public relations by downloading and leveraging this playbook today.